I wanted to build a smart indoor robot that could avoid obstacles and navigate autonomously in an indoor space. Something as simple as this one. We'll start with microcontroller for a robot. In this case, it's Arduino Mega. Next, we'll need an ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance from the obstacles. Next, we'll use a good old L298M motor controller to control the direction of our TT motors. We are using 6V TT motors to drive our smart robot. For this project, we'll stick with simple 2-inch wheels that are shipped with TT motors. Alright, now is the time to power Arduino and motors using this 9V battery. So, here is the architecture. The ultrasonic sensor will measure the distance from the obstacle and send it to Arduino. The Arduino will then send motor signals to our motor controller based on the distance, our predefined threshold. The motor controller will activate the TT motors and the wheels, and thus the robot will move in the appropriate direction. So, the robot moves forward and turns left as soon as it runs into an obstacle. Let's see if the robot can handle a small loop challenge. It's going straight and now it turns left as soon as the sound waves are reflected back from our obstacles. Well, so far so good. Now let's see if it can handle our big loop challenge. Alright, here is a big loop. Our robot is cruising through this loop. What's fascinating to see is how well these ultrasonic sensors work. Our code maintains a safe distance of about 15 to 20 centimeters from the closest obstacle. We can always tweak the distance to enable a better safety trajectory for this robot. I wonder if we can build a long-range autonomous indoor robot using a bunch of these sensors. We'll find that in our next project. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please add those in the comment section and I'll respond as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in our next segment.